Okay? Safety comes paramount. You understand that?
Of course.
Our safety is number one. Your sensitivity, your sensitivities come way second.
My license right here. What did I do wrong? I want you to explain to me, what did I do wrong?
Oh, because you came down the block.
What did I say your name, or did I say officer? Did I say officer?
Sir, you asked me a question, right?
What did I do something wrong?
Can I talk to your phone?
Okay. Talk to my phone.
You asked me what I did wrong, and I'm trying to tell you, but you keep cutting me off.
No, but you said that I said something.
Again, you asked me, what did you do?
And you said that I said something.
You are recording it.
And I'm recording too, yes, because I have the right to do so.
So how can I answer your question if you keep cutting me off?
No, but that's the thing. I asked you, what did I do wrong? You told me in response. Okay, but you're not letting me finish. You told me in response.
I'm trying to tell you.
Look, did I do something wrong, though? Did I do something wrong? That's all. I mean, no disrespect. No disrespect. What, did I do something wrong? I know, that's fine. I'm just waiting for you to tell me, what did I do wrong? Am I being detained?
Sir.
Did I break a law?
Sir.
Did I break one? No, it's cool, bro. Look, that's cool, but I want to know. I don't mean to offend y'all. Did I? You know what I mean? I don't mean to offend y'all because you look more calmer than him. So I just want to know. That's all.
If he keeps talking.
Yeah, I just showed him my license. I literally pulled out everything in my hands. No, but that's the thing. What did I do wrong? You know what I'm saying? That's fine. But that's the thing. What did I do illegal? Can you guys explain that to me? Can you explain to me what did I do illegal?
You came down the street.
How?
You slowed down in front of me.
And I slowed down in front of you?
You kind of swerved in front of me. So.
Yo! That's fine, listen. That's fine, listen.
I'm bringing you this video today because when I seen it, it made my blood boil. There's a lot going on here. You're clearly going to see what happens. There's lessons to be learned here. The cops were double parked, admittedly, hence creating the traffic stop that happens here. So everything that happens in this video basically is because of the officers who were double parked. A lot of the comments that we get in our comment section is about how angry people are of what the cops are allowed to do. And they basically created this whole situation here because of the double parking. The guy explains clearly to the sergeant when he arrives what happens. How much should we push the issue? In this video, you're going to see that the sergeant, I feel like they know that they're wrong. They don't want to admit it in this video, but they're pushing the issue with him. And when they're basically letting him know that they're not going to give him a ticket, he kind of starts pushing the issue with the officers. That's my question. How much should we push the issue? I think he did a great job. I don't know what else to say. If you have your driver's license, if you're not driving dirty, if you got the camera, you got your proof, hey, I think you have the empowerment to push the issue of what's right and wrong without getting shot. I wouldn't want anybody that watches these videos to do something that they're not in full control of, because obviously it's hard to take control of a situation when these officers, they want 100% full control. In this video, I have one more thing to say. The officer says that officer safety is above all else, above this guy's sensitivity levels. Pay attention to what the officer says. That opens the door. I want to see what you guys have to say in the comment section. Go subscribe to this guy. He did a damn good job. I'll see you guys over there.
Someone asked for a supervisor?
Yeah, what's up, buddy? How you doing? My name's Mike. Say again?
It's not buddy. It's sorry. It's all right.
Okay. First and foremost, I asked what did I do wrong. He didn't explain to me. He told me that I swear supposedly. First, he said that I said something to him, which we were driving and he's double parked in Allegheny, and I was like,
he's enforcing the parking.
No, that's fine. That's fine. I wasn't questioning that. I mean, like I told him, he's doing his job, whatever it was that he's doing. But it's just, and then after when he tried to say that, when he tried to pretty much, he couldn't justify that I said something to him. I was like, wait, how? If I'm driving by. He said that I was swerving. I'm like, well, I had to swerve out of your way because, especially make sure that I give you guys enough space because you guys were double parked. I didn't eat the red light. I didn't eat the stop sign. The moment before I got to the stop sign, they already turned on the lights. And I said, what did I do wrong? He didn't explain. He just said that I said something. I said, well, how is that justifying that for you to pull me over? There's no probable cause. You know, I don't have anything.
He's telling me that he's enforcing the parking code in his apartment.
That's fine.
that you swerved around his vehicle, and you may have said something, which is neither here nor there. That's neither here nor there. You can say whatever you want, okay? But you got to be careful that when you make an erratic turn or anything like that, especially at F and Allegheny, where we have people who are constantly under the influence of drugs and alcohol.
I agree.
Who are always right out there, and that they are not looking for you because they don't know what time of day it is or what planet they're on.
Yeah.
So what these officers are trying to impress upon you is to make sure that you are cognizant of other people when you're driving, especially little kids on a nice Sunday in September with the church around the corner, a bunch of drug addicts, hanging there, coming up Kensington Avenue. But they don't want you swerving and accidentally hitting someone.
That's fine.
That's all he's trying
I
to
understand. I understand you. But can I ask a quick, simple, honest question though? If an officer on Allegheny, how tight it is, a small one-lane street, even buses got to go around. When they double parked, like literally, like I didn't even see the reverse lights on, or like they was just like parked there. They was doing their job.
On F Street or on Allegheny?
No, on right just past between F and E Street, they were parked in between
on
there.
Allegheny?
Yeah, on Allegheny.
Okay.
So
Allegheny's
how should I
very wide
address?
street.
How should I address that situation next time for future reference?
So
I cautiously, I wasn't even exceeding 25 miles per hour.
Okay.
So how should I
just
go
want
around
you,
it next
I want
time?
you to be careful when you're driving.
Right.
I don't want you making erratic turns. I want
Of course.
you to slowly
Just slowly go around, yeah.
and go around, because police officers, when they have to respond and do their job,
They
they are not privy to being able to park because there's not always a parking
Right,
spot,
of course.
especially in Kensington.
Of course.
There just isn't.
Yeah, I
You know what
agree. I
So
know.
they got to be able to do their job. So what I want you to do is just be
Cautious.
slow down, be cautious when you're making
Right.
turns. That way little kids don't get run over.
No, of course,
That's all
definitely.
I care about.
Yeah, of course.
You know what
I agree with you. I agree. I have kids myself and all that.
Exactly.
Yeah,
So that's
I
what I
agree.
don't want. I don't want an accident to happen. I
Right.
don't want you to hit somebody. I don't want someone to get hit.
You're right.
It's not just you. It's
Everyone, yeah, everyone.
You know what I mean?
The opposing
That's all.
traffic, you never know, But yeah, I like, in all honesty, out of all honesty, from my heart, from kindness, and all my kids and everything, I cautiously went around them because I see how you guys get hit in the news. When you guys are
Happens all
doing,
the time.
yeah, it happens all the time.
But
So
I'm more worried
yeah,
about innocent people getting hit.
yeah, of course. I
So
agree with you.
That's it. So
Yeah.
I just want you to be careful as you
Yeah,
go around.
thank you.
Officers aren't writing you a ticket for that. Okay?
Right.
I mean, you just, but get careful because you can.
Right.
You got to be careful when you're driving. You can't make erratic turns. You can't turn real quick because people aren't looking for you. All right.
And another thing is too, like adjusting the vehicle with your hand at your gun automatically, like.
I'm not going to get into police tactics with you, how officers do their job.
You know what I mean?
I
Yeah.
have my hand on my gun as I'm talking to you right now.
Yeah, but like literally, you didn't approach the car like
Doesn't
all
matter.
sneaky. You know what I mean?
Doesn't
That's.
matter. I mean, that's how
I'm already feel threatened. That's why I had the request for you.
Well, I'll tell you what. Your sensitivity comes way second to our safety. You understand?
Right, okay.
Me? We have a horrible murder problem here.
Of course.
So we don't know who we're encountering on car stops. Okay. So our safety comes first. It's paramount. Your sensitivity, way distant second. Probably at the bottom of the list, to be quite honest.
Well, honestly, that's.
We have officers get shot at.
Yeah, no, I agree. Officers do get shot at, but then we got innocent people that get shot at too with no weapons in their hands.
Exactly.
When that doesn't really
When?
happen here.
It does.
No, that does happen.
It does happen.
Well,
It goes around the world. It's around the
yeah,
world.
but
You
it doesn't
know.
really happen here.
No, but so our safety should be just as important as you guys' safety
Right.
also
Exactly.
as well.
Well, that's the whole thing.
You know
Our
what I mean?
job
I
is-
didn't-
What's
I-
our job to do? What's the
You guys are supposed to be the professionals, protecting and serving. I mean, and enforcing the law.
What's the police department's job? What's the police department's job?
Protect
right?
the innocent civilians from our city.
It's to prevent crime and to reduce the fear of crime, right? And we do that by protecting people, making sure they feel safe. And when we're able to do our job safely, that's how we
I
do
just
it.
felt
you gotta
threatened.
understand.
Yeah.
Like again, you didn't feel threatened. You felt uneasy. No one threatened you.
No, well, when I never deal
Your
with.
sensitivity.
I don't. No,
your
I don't.
sensitivity.
I don't
There's
handle.
no overt threat there, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, there's no overt threat there.
Yes, there
So
was.
Can I say
What's the
something?
overt? What's the overt act?
When you guys have a weapon, I don't have no weapon at all.
If this makes you uncomfortable,
Yeah.
then maybe you want to move to a different country.
That's
It's
yeah,
just the
but
way
that's
it is, brother.
but and it is it's
Police
right. But
officers-
then
police officers carry guns.
you want
they wear
to know
badges.
something? I see something yellow there on his waist. A taser. It's called
That's
a
way
taser.
better.
Yeah.
You know, if you don't see any weapon, any probable cause, or anything like that at all, why don't you just draw your
So,
taser first?
Again, officers,
That's why I feel
police-
scared. It's no argument. You can't argue how I feel intimidated.
Okay, then that's
You
why
know, I
gotta
just
do
feel
what you're
scared.
told. That's
I got
why you feel
scared.
that's why you comply and you do as
Yeah.
you're directed to by the police department. But officers, I'm not going to get into discussion with
Yeah, of
you
course.
about force or officers' tactics.
All right.
Okay, safety comes paramount. You understand that?
Of course.
Our safety is number one. Your
safety
sensitivity,
too, yeah.
your sensitivities come way second. You
It's not.
understand?
It's our safety. You're
It's
confusing it.
no, it's your
Sensitivity.
feelings. It's
No,
your
no, no.
feelings. You just said you feel no. It's not your safety.
It's
your feeling.
I'm-
You just said it's your feeling. Sir, you just
I
said
feel
it's
hurt
your
about my
feeling.
feelings. I'm about my feelings. No, it's my
just said it's your
safety.
feelings.
It's my. I got kids to go back home to.
That's right.
You know what I mean?
But it's
don't-
your feelings that
I
you're
don't, like
talking
at the end of the day, I didn't disrespect neither one of y'all. I didn't
I'm
do
not
anything.
disrespecting
No,
you.
no,
I'm
it's fine. I'm
just
fine.
explaining
I'm telling you're not explaining to me how I feel sensitive. No, I'm explaining to you how I feel safe or not. That's it.
Okay.
If you guys don't like it at all, you're not gonna tell me that it's my sensitivity. No, it's not.
It's your
You
feelings.
can speak to my lawyer if you would like to. That's it. So, am I being detained or not?
The fuck?
Am I being detained or not? Because no,
You asked for me.
that's fine. I know that. I know that. But now that it's the conversation is over, then.
You gotta talk to him, huh? You
Can
need
I
your license, registration,
can I
insurance?
ask you
For
something,
what,
sir?
We explained that to you.
But I didn't do anything wrong.
Well, I just told you about how you went around the police car, kind of erratic turn. It's
It
careless
wasn't an
driving.
erratic turn.
An erratic turn.
Sir, can I say something?
3714 in the motor vehicle.
Sir, can I say something? He completely pulled us over because he thought we
That
said
we said
something.
something. That was his
And
first
that's
explanation.
That's his
There's a
reason.
camera.
That
You
was
guys
his
have a
main
camera.
reason.
I'm recording
guys-
you right now, just like
You
are.
guys
I'm
have a
explaining
camera,
to you.
exactly. So
I'm
he know
explaining to
that the camera
has a
has it.
camera,
The camera
right.
has it.
That's fine, but I'm
So
telling you.
look,
he's-
you guys gonna force me to take my wallet out and whatever off of me, but I'm not moving. I'm not moving. I'm not doing anything. Right here, my hands are right here on the steering wheel. I'm not
Okay, so
doing
you don't
anything.
want to reach for your wallet?
No, I don't want to
These
reach.
officers to do it?
No, I don't want. No, I'm not consenting. I'm not consenting to these
don't have a
officers to
choice.
violate
It's
me
illegal.
at all,
It's a legal
or to
investigation. It's a
or
legal
to
investigation.
improperly search my vehicle without a proper warrant.
Well, no one's searching your car. I just
That's
asked
it.
you for your
I'm not giving it to you unless I'm being
I'll
detained.
tell you what. Then we'll remove.
Okay, look, they're touching my. I'm not telling you my driver's license. It's in
got
my
that on
wallet.
camera,
That's
right,
all.
bro?
I'm in camera. They're
Okay,
gonna
that's fine.
violate me
But
and
they be
trespass.
here or this,
There's
right,
no
babe?
warrant. There's no warrant at all.
We don't
I didn't
need
do
one. I'm
anything.
asking
I
you
didn't
for
think.
your
I didn't do
license.
anything
Do you want
wrong.
to provide it or not?
I'm not. They still didn't explain to me what did I do wrong. They was double parked.
I understand what
So,
you're saying.
are you talking to me or the camera?
No, the camera. The camera.
You're being pulled over.
Yeah, of course. Now the seatbelt because I took it off. I was waiting for you guys. Like, are you serious?
So listen, do you want to give me your license or not?
I don't want to give you guys my license unless you guys tell me that if I'm being detained.
You are being detained.
Okay, oh, you been, okay? Well, take me out the car. That's fine.
I mean, I
Take
don't
me
have
out
a
the car because I didn't do anything
as far
wrong.
as him.
Do you have your license on you? Do you want to remove it?
No. You guys can grab it. I mean, I'm not telling them that
You just
they
said I
can't
can
grab it. They
grab
can't
it.
grab it. I don't want them to grab it, but they go ahead and violate me and take it. That's
Do
on
you
them.
have your driver's license on you or not?
I have it in my vehicle.
But at the
Okay,
same
where
time,
is
it
it?
shouldn't have to get to this.
Do you want to search? You want me to search your
And
vehicle or do you want to provide me
but
with your
my thing,
license?
our thing is, why did
I'm just asking for your
did it get to
license. I
this
don't know why
point
you're
to
acting
us
like
to get pulled over?
I'm not. It's because I didn't do anything wrong.
Something.
We were parked up, right in the traffic, right in a ticket. There's someone being parked on a fire hydrant. Multiple cars were going down the road, coming past us. You guys slowed up and kind of swerved.
Where's your wallet at?
Because you guys were in front of us.
I'm just saying that, but every other car went straight. And you guys kind of went like this.
I mean,
it
it's
under
not
your
really
seat?
like a
I'm
two-lane.
just saying though.
Well, here, sir, I don't want you to reach around in the
Yeah, but
corner.
if it's not a
That's why I
two-lane,
kept
it's
my
just
hands
a
on the back.
one-lane,
Let's
it's a
go
wide
back here.
What
street.
if someone had come
Let's
in
go
the
back here
street
and stay
though?
with
A
him.
junkie.
Where's your
I'm
wallet
not trying to be
at?
smart, officer. I'm not trying to get smart with you, but it was plenty of space for us to see someone walking around.
I understand.
And you know,
You
we're
just-
not
just put
going
your
to
back
just
against
hit somebody
the
right in front of a
car.
cop.
But
Like,
you
that's
wanna
not
tell me
what
where
we're
it is,
supposed to
or-
do.
I'm not
Gotta take his information, man.
But I need your
Listen,
driver's
officer,
license.
you're
You
doing.
wanna give
Listen,
it to me,
you're
otherwise I
doing
can
a
find
great
it.
job. I'm gonna be honest. Your partner, on the other hand, that was just uncalled for.
I'm gonna go look for it.
I didn't say yes.
Well, you're not telling me where it's at.
His license?
Yeah, where's it
I
at?
have no idea, sir. I have no idea.
You know the registration and insurance.
You got a knife here, sir? Do you
I
know
don't
that?
know. Honestly, I don't know where he keeps his stuff at.
You got a knife here, right?
They're like searching Mike. I don't know.
He had a wallet in his pocket.
He had a wallet. I don't know where it's at. I just want his driver's license.
Yeah, man.
Is this your vehicle information, sir?
You already put the wallet.
Sir, I'm gonna be honest. See, I
Sir,
was at
is your
home. He
vehicle
just called me to go to the AutoZone. I don't know where he keeps his stuff
Are
at.
you
I
the
would've
owner of
lied
the
to you
car?
about that.
Where do you live at, sir?
Hold on, babe. They're like searching him.
Do you have a
asking
date
him
of birth,
questions.
sir?
Yeah, no one's getting searched by the way. It's not a search.
No.
All we need is
They're just looking for his driver's license right now. I'm gonna let you go, alright, babe?
Do you have any more weapons in the car other than the knife you have here? Tools, maybe. I didn't ask for tools. I said weapons. Do you have any weapons on you? No. All right. Okay. I'm gonna hold on to the knife until we're done. You understand? Any weapons on you?
No.
You want to sit back in your car? Sir, you want to sit back in the car?
Straight violation. No consent. Ooh, I can't wait this Monday, man. I can't wait. I'm gonna see Miss Annette.
Name, date of birth.
I'm gonna see Miss Annette.
4993. 4993, sir.
Yes.
4993. You know you're required to have your license on you.
I have my number and everything.
Okay.
But you guys
have
still
your
didn't tell me.
license number? Please provide it to the officer. What's your operator's number?
Don't write on my paper. I didn't give you permission to write on my paper. I need that.
What's your operator's number?
Thank you.
What's your operator's number?
300. And I'm refusing to sign. I should not be shaking, but then they have weapons out here and they acting like they want to draw it. And then I got this guy trying to stare me down and intimidate me.
I want you to pay attention to me.
300-19372.
Okay.
And I did not give them. They're forcing me. This is forced. They're forcing me.
You're being detained.
No, I'm being detained, but they didn't tell me. They didn't tell me what did I do wrong. What law did I break? They did not tell me what law I break. They have cameras themselves. So this video is just a preview of what should come. This video is just a preview of what should come. Yep, the harassment is real in Philadelphia. The harassment is real. And then they talking about we shouldn't be scared. That doesn't happen here. That innocent people get shot. Oh yeah, really? I shouldn't be scared. It's a sensitivity. Their safety first, and mine's the second. My sensitivity second. The first, not sensitivity. It's our safety. My safety is I'm afraid of. You know what I mean? I'm afraid of my safety because I don't have a gun or a weapon to draw at them, but they have a weapon to draw against me. You know what I mean?
You do understand what he meant by that, right? I'm just saying the safety thing. He wasn't talking about your safety. Everyone's safety is important. He meant sensitivity. Like we don't know what kind of cars will come up to.
There's no justifying that. He explained it. You know what I mean? You were being professional this whole time and everything, and I don't want I prefer for you. You know, I don't want to get into it with you. You know what I mean? I just want to keep it this way, and that's it. I'm gonna see these motherfuckers in court. I'm gonna see these motherfuckers in court. I'm gonna see these motherfuckers in court. Where my wallet go?
I'll see, bro.
What?
I was just trying to look for it.
My wallet.
Where did you put it?
I don't know, bro. Drop it or something. Check your feet.
Dug themselves in a big old hole.
That's cool.
Motherfucker really trying. I know it's a coat of blue and shit. They gotta stick together, but come on, nigga, be realistic.
What the fuck?
Put your stuff back.
Why you write on my stuff if I told you not to write on
I
it?
wrote that.
I told you guys not to write on it.
I wrote it when you gave me your date of birth because you couldn't provide me with a license. All
I didn't need to because I didn't do anything wrong.
Well, you do need to provide me with a license. So
mine's is
you're
valid
required
completed.
to have it on you. It's a ticket. If you want a ticket, we can go to traffic court. You're required to have your license with you when you're driving a car.
So you're giving me a
Required
ticket?
to. I'm not, but I
Okay.
can because I
Okay.
verified that you have a license.
Okay.
However, I can issue a ticket, but I don't want to.
That's fine.
If you want to go to traffic court, just let me know. 'Cause we can do
okay,
that.
well, are we done here or not? Because I know I didn't do anything wrong. Period.
So your seatbelt on. It's tough behind
Come
your
on,
seat.
dude. You're not gonna. You made yourself already look weird as it was. You're not gonna have to tell me nothing.
Right.
I'm a professional driver. All right. I don't double park like you.
Don't be so shaken next time.
Yeah. So shaky. Don't be so threatening. Don't be so intimidating.
Remember your seatbelt.
Yeah. Don't be threatening. Don't be threatening. That's it. Look. Why you put my seatbelt in the back?
Jeez, motherfucker, bro. Yo, you fucking clown. Fucking clown. Yo, motherfucker. He said it, bro. Oh, they acting like that because they know you.
Don't be so threatening next time. All right. We're just innocent people.